Hello there, fellow people of the internet. My name is Silver Rain, and welcome back to another episode of Dead Space 3. Now, let's not explain anything. Let's just get right into the video. Alright, shall we? Alright. Okay, while we're here, I'll just explain everything.
Guess you were smart enough to make it past my lockout. You must not be one of those no-neck dipshits in the General's Goon Squad.
I made a shotgun. Check it out. You guys like my shotgun? Alright, let me set down my cute little robot. Oh, he's just so cute. Look at him. Oh, okay. Where do we go? This way. Okay, good. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Hello. Beware, trash patching will be blown to bits. Okay. That's interesting, sir. Oh, sweet. Let me use my telekinesis version. What was? Uh-oh. Okay. No! Shotgun! Ah, he did. Okay. Well, let's continue. Can I use these? Oh no, it's those puker guys. Ew. Die! Please. Oh god. Run! Run! Oh god! Ow! Shotgun! Nick! Okay. Holy cow! Kabuski! Why won't you just die? Okay, reload. What's this? Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, run. All right, let me take care of these guys. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, we're safe for now. Wait, where is it? Right here. Okay. Awesome. Oh, I got a piece of hair stuck in my mouth. Hold on. Oh, get off me. Ah, this is where the scares begin. Oh no! My cute little robot! What have you guys done with him? What have you guys done? Uh-oh. Run! Take your friend, you son of a... Yay. Okay, now if I can get a moment, very quick. Hi! How you guys doing? Alright, so let's continue. This shotgun really isn't doing anything. Uh-oh. Okay then. That shotgun really isn't doing me anything. It's just like, you know, just blows them away. That's about it. Oh. Here, you need some duct tape, bro? Oh, God. Oh, wow. I feel sorry for this guy. He's just taking shots upon shots upon shots. Okay, where do I shoot? Right here? Okay, good. Alright, Let's continue. Oh gosh, I sure hope my little robot is okay. He's the cutest thing on this game. I do not want him to get hurt. Ooh. Whoops. Upgrade circle. What? Reload 1 + 1 clip. Oh, I have to go to the workbench for that stuff. Okay. I saw a box back here. There it is. Oh my gosh, just died. Oh, ew, ew, get off me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. 360. Oh god. So. Take a friend. Take some aspirin. Oh shoot. Man, these things just won't die, will they? Let me heal very quick. Okay. I mean, if you guys want me to play like a different game than this game, because this game is probably getting old to you guys. If you guys want to see like a different game, tell me in the comment box below. Because honestly, I really don't know what game. So, oh, you almost got me. You almost got me. Come here. You. Wow, slow motion is awesome. Okay. Well, let's continue. Open sesame. Uh-oh. No. What? Oh, okay, here we go. Hold on, let me fix my shotgun very quick. I'll be right back. Alright, there we go. Now it is a semi-automatic. You guys get the drift. It's a assault rifle, so let's just go with it. Up here, right? Okay, yep. Let's continue. Man, this ship seems pretty... Uh-oh. Oh! Get off me! Punch him! Punch him! Punch him! I am just punching this guy. You got a friend. Take him. Oh yeah, that's right. I also got this lightsaber. Lightsaber. Yeah. Die. Die. Never come back. And that's Jenga. Wait, what? Okay, never mind. Okay, let's go downstairs. Okay. Oh wait, right there. Right there. Yeah. I really don't trust that. I knew it! Die! Scavenger bot waiting at the... Oh! Oh! Okay, so he's okay. Okay, that's good to know. I'm saying okay way too much. Jeez. Oh! Hold on. Okay, let me pick this up, because this looks important. Oh! That's totally not inconspicuous. Okay. I knew it. I knew it. Trap.
And I can't just let you waltz into environmental. I don't want to die.
Yeah, I know you don't want to die, neither do I.
Computer, arm explosives.
Health pack.
Detonate.
Uh-oh. Okay. Is this just like a... Uh-oh. Boom! Well, that was a bit overkill, don't you think? Ow. Ow! Ow! Ew! 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 Ew, run. Just start running. Book it. Oh, he went up the air vent. Did you guys see that? Oh! He's trying to go reversal on me. Oh! No. It's these guys again. Okay, I don't trust it. Oh gosh. Oh. Never mind. I had an idea, but it kind of blew up. Uh-oh. Okay, that is not human. Die. Lightsaber. Get off me! Why can't I move? Oh, I'm stuck. Uh-oh. Go. No. Alright, let me turn off the alarm very quick. I think it's down here. Yeah. Oh, wait. Hold on. Okay. Oh, I see a pattern here.
Contamination detected. Accepted. Quarantine lifted. Please report this event to your superior officer.
Alright, well that was long and boring, wasn't it, guys? Alright. I think this looks like a good place to stop the video. If you guys have enjoyed this and have not been bored or fit as much as I have, please tell me in the comment box below. If you guys want me to play any more games that is different than this game, tell me, and I'll talk to y'all later. See you later. Bye-bye.